यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रियै चामृताय च अथ कालवर्गः रमा रामचंद्रन can you recite कालवर्ग रमा भगिनी रामचंद्रन you are self muted. Can you recite Kalavarga by any chance? Are you available? Okay. Saurabh Mahodaya?
Yes. Yeah. I can. Okay.
अथ कालवर्गः
अथ कालवर्गः कालोदिष्टोपनेहापि समयो प्रतिपक्षतिः प्रतिपद्वे इमे स्त्रीत्वे तदाद्यास्थितयो द्वयोः घस्रो दिनाः नीवातु क्लीबे दिवसवासरौ प्रत्युषो हर्मुखं कल्मुष प्रत्युषसि प्रत्युषो हर्मुखं प्रत्युषो हर्मुखं
कल्यम प्रत्युषो हर्मुखं कल्यम उषः प्रत्युषसि अपि
प्रत्युषो हर्मुखं कल्यम उष प्रत्युषसि अपि विष्टं विभान्ते द्वे क्लीबे पुंसि गोसर्ग इष्यते प्रभातं च दिनान्ते तु सायं संध्या पितृप्रसूः
एक निमिष महोदय उषा भगिनी आर यू देयर उषा हाँ
हरि ओम राम राम रामन्ना
प्रभातं so here in this line saya sandhya pitruprasuh that correction has not been made prabhatam cha dinante tu saya sandhya pitruprasuh please note that change.
Yes sir.
The next line also pranha paranha madhyanha
yes sir na yes
madhyanha dirgham trisandhya matasharvari so those two changes are missing here.
Right
whenever another change comes I will tell, be alert.
Sure I'm here.
Okay Saurabh Mahodaya please continue.
प्रभातं च दिनान्ते तु सायं संध्या प्रतिप्रसूः परान्न मध्याह्नाः त्रिसन्ध्यामथ शर्वरी निशा निशीथिनी रात्रि त्रिययामाक्षणदाक्षपा विभावरी तमस्विन्यो रजनीयामिनी तमिस्रा तामसी रात्रिः ज्योत्स्नी चन्द्रिकयान्विता आगामी वर्तमानाः युक्तायां निशिपक्षिणी गणरात्रं निशा भव्यः प्रदोषो रजनीमुखम् अर्धरात्रिनिशीथौ द्वौ यामः प्रहरौ समौ सपर्वसन्धि प्रतिपत् पञ्चदश्योर्यदन्तरं पक्षान्तौ पञ्चदश्यो द्वे पौर्णमासी तु पौर्णिमा कलाहीने सानुमतिः पूर्णे राका निशाकरे अमावास्या त्वमावस्या दर्श सूर्येन्दुसंगमः सादृष्टेन्दुसिनीवाले सा नष्टेन्दुकलाकुहुः उपरागो ग्रहो राहुः ते त्विन्दो च पूष्णिश्च सोपप्लवोपरक्तौ द्वौ अग्न्युत्पात उपाहितः एकयोक्त्या पुष्पवन्तौ दिवाकर निशाकरौ अष्टादश निमेषास्तु काष्ठात्रिंशत्तु ताकला तास्तु त्रिंशत्क्षणस्ते तु मुहूर्तो द्वादशास्त्रियां ते तु त्रिंशद्होरात्रः पक्षस्ते दशपञ्च च पक्षौ पूर्वापरो शुक्लकृष्णो मासस्तु तावुभौ द्वौ द्वौ मार्गादिमासौ स्याद्युतरे द्वौ मार्गादिमासौ स्यात् ऋतुस्तैरयनं त्रिभिः
Very good, very good.
अयने द्वे गतिरुदक दक्षिणार्कस्य वत्सरः समरात्रिन्दिवे काले विषुवं च तत्
उषा भगिनी समरात्रिन्दिवे काले
न समरात्रिं दिवे काले ओके
अनुस्वर मिसिंग
ओके रात्रिं and separate the two words, right?
Yeah, you can separate.
पुष्ययुक्ता पौर्णमासी पौषी मासे तु यत्र सा नाम्ना स पौषो माघाद्यात् नाम्ना स पौषो माघाद्याश्चैवमेकादशापरे मार्गशीर्षे सहा मार्ग आग्रहायनिकश्च सः पौषे तैष सहस्यौ द्वौ तपा माघेथ फाल्गुने स्यात् तपस्य फाल्गुनिकः स्याच्चैत्रे चैत्रिको मधुः वैशाखे माधवो राधः ज्येष्ठे शुक्रशुचिस्त्वयम् आषाढे श्रावणे तु स्यात् नभा श्रावणिकश्च सः स्युर्नभस्य प्रोष्ठपद भाद्रपदासमाः स्यादाश्विन ईशोप्याश्वयुज्योऽपि स्यात् तु कार्तिके बाहुलोर्जो कार्तिकिकः हेमन्त शिशिरो स्त्रियां वसन्ते पुष्पसमयः सुरभि ग्रीष्म ऊष्मकः निधाग उष्णोपगम उष्ण ऊष्मागमस्तपः स्त्रियां प्रावट्स्त्रियां भूम्नि वर्षा अथ शरस्त्रियां षड्मी ऋतव पुंसि मार्गादीनां युगैक्रमात् संवत्सरो वत्सरब्दौ हायनो स्त्री शरत्समाः मासेन स्यादहोरात्रः धन्यवाद
राम राम सम्यक् उक्तम् वेंकटेश्वरन् गोपाल वेंकटेश्वरन् गोपाल
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय। संवत् मासेन स्याद होरात्रः फ्रॉम देयर यू स्टार्ट।
मासेन स्याद होरात्र पैत्रो वर्षेण दैवतः दैवे युगसहस्रे द्वे ब्राह्म कल्पौ तु तौ नृणां मन्वन्तरं तु दिव्यानां युगानामेकसप्ततिः संवर्तः प्रलयः कल्पः क्षयः कल्पान्त इत्यपि अश्री पंकं पुमान् पापं किल्बिषकल्मषं कलुषं विजिनैनो गमं हो दुष्कृतं स्याद्धर्ममस्त्रियां वृजिनैनो गमं हो दुरितदुष्कृतं स्याद्धर्ममस्त्रियां पुण्यश्रेयसि।
एकनिमिषं महोदय। कलुषं वृजिनैनोघं Amho durita dushkritam, like that. Or if you want to
Kalusham
tell,
vrijinahi noham nogam. Okay. So once more, can you repeat?
Kalusham vrijinainogham.
Kalusham vrijinai.
Vrijinainogham.
Kalusham vriji. Okay. Kalusham vrijinainogam. Aho durita dushkritam. Syadharmamastriyam punya shreyasi.
Amho durita dushkritam.
Gamam amho durita dushkritam syadharmamastriyam punya shreyasi sukritam vrishah mutpritihi mutpritih pramodo harsha pramoda moda sammadah syadananda turhananda sharma shatta sukani cha shvashreyasam. Okay.
Dhanyawada. Rama Ramachandran, she is not unable to unmute, I think. Okay. Chitra Bhagini.
Namaste, sir.
Idlen Parchin Varela.
I try pandren, sir. I haven't practiced it. Swahasreyasam Shivam Badram Kalyanam Mangalam Shubham Bhavukam Bhavikam Bhavyam Kushalam Shemamasriyam Shastam Chastatrishu Dravye Papam Punyam Sukhadicha Matallika Machika Matallika Machika
Matallika Macharchika.
Matallika Machachika Prakanda Muddhatallajau Prasastavacha Kanya Munyayah Shubha Vaho Vidihi
Prashastavacha Kanyamuni.
Kanyamuniya
Prashastavachakani Prashastavachakani Amuni Prashastavachakanyamuni
Prashastavacha Kanyamuni Ayashubhavaho Vidihi Daivam Dishtam Bhagadheyam Bhagyam Stri Vinayattirvidihi Heturnakaranam Bijam Nidanam Twadikaranam Kshetrajna Atma Purusha Pradhanam Prakritistriyam Visheshakalako Vastha Guna Sattvam Rajasthamah Janana Janmani Janirutpattirudbhavah Pranitu Chetano Janmi Jantu Janyu Saririnah Jati Jatam Cha Samanyam Vyaktistu Prithagatmata Chittam Tu Cheto Hridayam Swantam Hrinmanasam Manah.
Very good. Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, sir.
Ativa Uttama Ritya Uttavati. Agre Gachamaha. So yesterday we were exploring the meaning of the time related to the Vedic time. We were discussing these 4 lines. One line is not there here, but I said I will add that. Masena syad ahoratraha paitro varshena daivataha daivam yuga sahasredve brahma kalpautu taunranam manvantarantu divyanam yuganam ekasaptatihi samvarta pralaya kalpaha kshaya kalpanta ityapi. These are the 4 lines. This line samvarta also we didn't do. Yuganam ekasaptati, till there we have done. Now there were many questions regarding the sankalpa that we are doing in our regular things. So I thought I should, there is one site which one link which I got, which I obtained. I found it probably this is very authentic. So I thought I should share this link with you. I will share this link and give it as a link in the course page. Now you see this is Hindu units of time. Now if I now where, so what this it introduces us to, it is not only talks about Amara, it talks about all the Veda and Puranic text, all the information put together at one place. So this is Vedas, Puranas, Mahabharata, Surya Siddhanta, etc. So these are the time related metrics, which is Truti, Renu, Lava, Likshaka, Lipta, Vipala, etc., which we saw yesterday. Now, which we have seen, some of it is there in Amara Kosha, some of it is not there. So that we have seen. The next thing is related to the Brahma, his they have put this Brahma's thing in a logarithmic scale. You can ignore that for now. Now the time used in Vedas, Paramanu, Anu, Trasarenu, Truti, Veda, Lava, Nimesha, Kshana, all this is there here. Masa, Ritu, Ayana, Samvatsara, etc. Then you have tropical metrics, one yama, that is 1/2 of the day, how many gatis, muhurtas and all. Then what about the Pitrus? One human fortnight is half day or night for the Pitrus. Same way, one human month, 30 days is 1 day and 1 night of the Pitrus. 30 days of Pitrus is 1 month. 30 days of human is 1 month for Pitrus. So all that is given here related to the forefathers. Related to the Devas, it is given. Okay. Then Brahma, it is given. 1000 Mahayuga is equal to 1 Kalpa, is 1 day for Brahma. This is what we have to understand. Now 2 Kalpas constitute a day and night of Brahma. 30 days of Brahma is 1 month of Brahma. 12 days is 1 year. 50 years of is 1 Parardha. 2 Parardhas is 100 years. 1 Para is equal to 1 Mahakalpa. Now 4 Yugas, Satya, Treta, Dwapara Yuga. Yesterday what I showed, it is the same thing. So which avatar of Vishnu occurred in which Yuga, that is also given in color. Then next thing is about this Mahayuga. So there one cycle repeats itself. Altogether there are 1000 cycles of Mahayuga. So one cycle of above 4 yugas. So one cycle of these 4 yugas is 1 Mahayuga. So as now current date. Now yesterday Rajaram Mahodaya is there. Rajaram, I just see. Rajaraman sir. I think he's there. You only asked that question, no? Ashtavimshati Tame, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ashtavimshati Tame. Yeah. Since the
Okay.
earlier portion somebody has asked, I continued.
No. Now I will. That is why I researched and I am giving the answer. There was one more question on Shvetavaraha Kalpa. So both the questions. One is Shvetavaraha Kalpa as per Padma Purana. Is the first birth date is what we said. So the Brahma's day, this is the Brahma's day Kalpa is named as Shvetavaraha Kalpa. We are now currently 50 years of Brahma has passed and we are in the 50th year. We are in the first day of the 50th year. We are in the first day of the 50th year. That is why it is Shvetavaraha Kalpa. We are in the first day of the 51st year. In the Parardha, which is the second half of Brahma's life, we are in the first day of Brahma's. This is called Shvetavaraha Kalpa. Within this day, 6 Manvantaras. In that 6 Manvantaras have elapsed, and the 7th Manvantara called Vaivasvata Manvantara is going on. So within that Vaivasvata Manvantaras, 27 Mahayugas have elapsed. This Kali Yuga, which is the 28th Mahayuga. So this is the 28th cycle of that Kali Yuga. That is why we are telling Ashtavimshati Tame Kali Yuge. That is what we are telling. This is the Mahayuga. And this Kali Yuga began, Kali Yuga began in 3102 BCE. And 50 years of Brahma is, and this is second Parardha. All this you understood. Again, some calculations are there. So what is the age of the universe and where we are, all those things. how much time has elapsed since the current because in every Mahayuga there is a Brahma, the current age of the Brahma, etc. is calculated. This is a very beautiful link which explains the entire Kala as per the Vedic units of time. Now, I think this is clear. If anything is not clear, you can ask questions on this. Then we will proceed further. Raja Raman sir, solunga sir.
That Prathame Pade, what is that Prathame? Ashtavinshitame Prathame Pade means first what?
Prathame Pade, because it is the first pada of first day. First day of 51st year.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Ashok Mahodaya.
Can you enlarge screen, please? Can you enlarge the screen? It is not visible clearly. If you enlarge, it will be nice. Yeah, some little more enlargement.
Enlarge, okay.
Yeah.
The problem is it is not. I'll try enlarging.
Yeah. It is good. It is good. It is clear now. Yes. Thank you. Because without
Venkatesh Mahodaya.
So when you say pralaya, does it happen? When does that happen? Out of curiosity, between any?
Pralaya vandu. Okay, very important question.
I always thought pralaya happens between Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, and all that, but that's not true. I think yesterday
that
you
is
were explaining.
So after each Manvantara follows one Samadhi Kala of the same duration. It is said during Samadhi Kala the entire earth is submerged in water. This is pralaya.
Okay.
This is pralaya.
Another kind of unrelated question. The app that you're using for broadcasting, that's nothing to do with Zoom, right? It is something developed by Vyoma itself.
For broadcasting, no, it is GoToWebinar. This is not developed by Vyoma. It is a GoToWebinar or GoToMeeting it's an international company.
Okay. Oh, I see. The reason you must have heard of Zoom having a lot of security issues, so hence I'm asking that question. Yeah,
I heard that. We have a Zoom account, but we are not using it. But GoToWebinar is supposed to be the #1 in webinar, and it is there from so many years. And we are using that from past, this is the 8th year we are using this. 8th or 9th year we are using this. So I think we are at this. We have a Zoom account also, but we are currently, because our webinar we have already announced it through this. We are doing it. Zoom has some security issues. I understand.
Yeah. So, okay. Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Pancharajam sir.
My first question is, I'm not getting the Amarakosa invites since Monday. Only the Ashadhyayika comes. I don't know whether it's me or everybody does have. I was able to get in with one of the old. On Monday you sent one. It's not you. It's from your Roma, where it had 2 links on the same email. One is Ashadhyayi, other is Amarakosa. Luckily, I kept it, so when I click on it, I joined. I haven't gotten any email for the Amarakosa email. That's first technical question. Second one, all these calculations, everything. Is it all a group of people, scientists like to say, developed phase, or it started with one person who has systematized all the calculations? All that? Is there any
No.
reference?
It is available in Granthas. Bhagavata Grantha, it is available in the Puranas. It is available. It is available in Veda. It is from there we have extracted it in this form. That's all. You will not. We will not be able to understand the Veda Vakya or the. For example, the Amarakosha Vakya itself, you need explanation. We will all need explanation. We are just taking that and explaining. That's all.
Right. Okay. Yes, because this is a pretty involved calculations, and many of them we are reinventing the scale in terms of the age of the Earth, and all the galaxies, and the astronomical calculations. So I thought that must have been a systematized effort was done years ago. That somebody has done all these. These are not easy calculations. They are pretty involved delineations of the time and all these, compartmentalization. So I thought there must have been some discussion on how they started it. Like, nobody like Panini has systematized these calculations. That's what I'm hearing.
So in Bhagavata, they have done it in a particular way. In Surya Siddhanta, they have done it in a particular way. In other texts, they have done it in a particular way. In Amarakosha, we are seeing how they have done it. So all that we consolidate and put it in one place. That is what they have done. That is the effort done by this. They have not invented any new thing here. They are just representing the information in the form of a table, which everybody can understand.
And then why should there be a pralaya? Because they predicted it, or in other words, why should there be a pralaya at all?
No.
Is there a justification for a pralaya?
Yes, there is a justification for pralaya that is outside the scope of this. It is a Vedanta question. We will answer it sometime in a Vedantic way. We have to answer it.
Because after all, we are evolving, so maybe it's a cycle where we want to, the nature wants to recreate everything, so we want to delete everything and restart at the beginning. So maybe that's the justification.
No, we have to understand a lot of phenomenon for pralaya. What happens to the, as I said, it is evolving in the sense at a particular stage, the jiva will not be able to sustain itself. That is why you need a pralaya in that particular environment. So this is the broader thing which I would like to share, but there are a lot of Vedantic reasons for that. So
and also they must have justified why humans are born and dead. Why should we die at all?
All that and all is Vedantic question which we have to answer. That is a topic of Vedanta, and it's a different subject, sir.
This is pretty exciting thing. So every day I'm hearing that when I'm reading about it. So this is a fantastic phenomenon. Yeah, anyway, this email problem, I don't know. I'm just asking the question in the general because everybody has problem of this week. Since Monday, I'm not getting the Amarakosha email separate, but Ashadhyaya I'm getting it every day. On Monday, you said there was some issue, so I got one central email that had both the links on that. So Usha Bhagini or somebody can probably look at it, see why it happening.
Usha Bhagini, you take up this issue with Soumya Bhagini and ask her what is the problem.
Yes, Anna, sure, Anna.
Okay. Because I don't, if it's just me, I don't know. I looked at the spam folder, I looked everywhere, I didn't. Others also have the same, because I cannot simply use your old email and link on it, because they simply, it doesn't say the course is already over. So something unique about every email I'm getting every day morning, I get 1 hour before it's going to start, and I'm not getting it since Monday.
I had the same problem. So what I did was I used the same link which was sent on Monday, and it is allowing us to come in with some registration and just one assurance, and it says join the webinar in progress. This is a new way of entering. So for the time being, please manage. We will find a solution for this.
So the webinar ID is 926-992-715. So let us note the webinar ID, everybody, and we can go, we can come inside. Now, we will write a mail to go to webinar and see why this auto email is not working. Okay.
Thank you. Dhanyavada. It's very interesting.
Dhanyavada. Chitra Bhagini, you have any question?
Namaste, sir. Sir, in the we have discussed so many things about Devaloka, about Devas, எல்லாரையும் பத்தி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அதுல வந்து நமக்கு இது வியாதி பண்ற கிருமிகள் அத பத்தியும் இருக்குமா? ஆரோக்கியம் அதெல்லாம் பேசும்போது
கிருமிகளை பத்தியா? I don't know. தெரியாது மாமா எனக்கு. I have, from what I have studied, so Deva Tiryang Naradishu. So Devatas are created, Manushas are created, Tiryang is all the Pashu Pakshis are created. Pashu Pakshi, Krimi Kita, they are created. They are created, so everything is God's creation only. How...
Even Ramayana Mahabharathila kuda இத பத்தி ஒரு மென்ஷனும் இல்ல இல்லையா? அந்த காலத்துல வாழ்க்கலாம் தான் இந்த like now we are having corona.
அத வந்து நம்ம we should get into Ayurvedic texts. These krimis, bacteria, virus எல்லாம் we should not see these kind of texts. Spiritual texts பார்த்தா we will not get any answer. We should refer to...
கதை சொல்லும்போது வரணும் இல்லையா? இந்த மாதிரி அந்த காலத்துல ஜனங்கள்லாம் கஷ்டப்பட்டா அவளுக்கு வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இதா இருந்ததுன்னு அந்த மாதிரி கூட மென்ஷன் ஒண்ணு பண்ணலன்னு தோன்றது இல்லையா?
In Ramayana it is not there.
மகாபாரதத்திலயும் இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
மகாபாரதம் ஃபுல்லா படிக்கல நான். 1 lakh ஸ்லோகாஸ் இருக்கு. மூலத்தை படிச்சவாதான் அதை ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். It is not a question which can be answered like that.
Okay. Then I was wondering இதான் இந்த மாதிரி தான் மென்ஷன் இருக்குமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு, because it keeps repeating இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி வியாதிகள் எல்லாம் வந்து போறதெல்லாம் though we say it's getting mutated அப்படின்னு சொல்றதெல்லாம், பட் அந்த காலத்துல இருந்திருக்கணும். அதுல தான் மென்ஷன் இருக்குமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்டேன் நான்.
அதுல இருக்காது. என்னோட இதுனாக்கா மகாபாரதத்துல எல்லாம் வராது. It will come only in Ayurveda granthas where the discussion is there regarding krimis, vyadis, how to treat them, etc. We should go to medicinal granthas. Ayurvedatla Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ashtanga Hridaya, Ashtanga Sangraha, then all the Nidana granthas, all these things we have to refer. These are the granthas to refer, and we have to ask an Ayurvedic expert.
Okay sir, thank you sir. எனக்கும் அமரகோஷா மெயில் வரல இன்னைக்கு. அஷ்டாத்தியாயி தான் வந்தது. I use the link to join the webinar.
Okay. Ashok Mahodaya, any questions?
Sir, so yesterday and today, because of your explanation in detail and these tables you have taken from some other book, you could understand very easily. At least I could understand very nicely. But remember that if you want to refer to that website which you are referring, which website you have to refer, and for our.
Sir, I have told this to you 100 times, and you ask this 100 times again. Everything will be available in the course page. There is something called the course page. You have to register to Sanskrit from home, and many times our people have supported you with all the passwords and other things. Still you keep on asking. I think you should have an assistant in your home who understands all this. I am not blaming you, sir, and who can help you with this.
I have tried the website, but I can't go further. I go to some extent and I can't go further. It is my limitation or my less intelligence. I accept that, but I am not able to go further. I go to this website, yes, and then
this is the page. See, in this page we are uploading all the lessons. So if we are wherever we are having extra documents, we will upload either on the right hand side and it will take some time to upload. See, for example, here I have a document. This is a PDF rules which we have uploaded. So you saw this.
Oh yes. I clicked there. It said, it told me that you joined the course. But I already joined the course. Then I don't know why I'm not getting. I clicked it and it asked me to join the course. But
yes,
I already joined the course.
You have to. It is not registration, sir. You have to join the course. There are 147 courses in Sanskrit from home. In that you have to join the course.
But I have already joined. No, Amarkosha, I have joined, isn't it?
No, Amarakosha webinar you have joined. You have not joined you have not joined in the Sanskrit from home page. It is like this, sir. It is like this. There is a building. Okay. In that building, you are say you are in 10th standard. You have to get into 10th standard A section. You have to get into that class. You say, I have entered the school. I am sitting here. I want to hear to the lesson. If you enter the 10th standard A section only, you will get to know 10th standard A section class. Like that it is. So once you enter the site, you have to enter and take the course, register and take the course.
Okay.
You can contact Prasanna from our company, Prasanna Vasudha, and get to know and get this sorted out, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry for the trouble. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay, we will close the class today here. We will continue tomorrow, day after. I am planning to finish the Kalavarga meanings, if possible, by God's grace. If there is everything goes well, we will complete that, and we will see how to give assignments for all these vargas. So Usha Bhagini, we have to prepare a separate assignment for Digvarga and Kalavarga. Two assignments separately we have to prepare.
Yes.
Then so there should be 4 assignments. First is Swargavarga 100 slokas, then Swargavarga to Digvarga, and Digvarga 1 assignment, and Kalavarga 1 assignment. 4 assignments we have to prepare and upload it to the page.
Yes. Almost done, Anna. Just some corrections are to be done. It's almost done. It will be good.
So we should all thank Usha Bhagini for creating all these assignments and keeping that website in order. She is the person who works with our technical team. Let us all thank her on to keep this in order, and she is the person who is ensuring that all these things are happening. Dhanyavada Bhagini, Usha Bhagini, Dhanyavada. Sarvebhyah Ram Ram Ram. Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishaha Go Brahmanebhyah Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Ashok Mohodaya, please contact Prasanna through an email. He will help you.